Is Firstrade legit? Before delving into the legitimacy of Firstrade, it's essential to understand a few surprising facts about the investment landscape. Firstly, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) reported that investment fraud victims lost a staggering $3.8 billion in 2022 alone. Secondly, a study by the Investor Protection Institute revealed that nearly half of all investors have fallen victim to some form of investment scam. These statistics underscore the critical importance of thorough research before entrusting your hard-earned money to any investment platform. Firstrade, founded in 1985, is an online brokerage firm that offers commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and options. It has gained popularity among investors due to its low-cost structure and user-friendly platform. However, the question remains, is Firstrade a legitimate and trustworthy investment platform? To answer this question, it's crucial to examine the platform's regulatory status, user reviews, and the advantages and disadvantages it offers. Firstrade is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC, which provides protection of up to $500,000 per customer, including $250,000 in cash. This regulatory oversight ensures that investors' funds are safeguarded in case of broker-dealer insolvency. Moreover, Firstrade has received generally positive reviews from users on various online platforms. Many investors praise its easy-to-use interface, low fees, and excellent customer support. However, some users have expressed concerns about the platform's limited research tools and occasional technical glitches. One of the most significant advantages of Firstrade is its commission-free trading. This makes it an attractive option for investors who frequently trade stocks, ETFs, or options. Additionally, the platform offers fractional shares, allowing investors to purchase portions of a stock rather than the entire share, making investing more accessible. However, Firstrade also has its share of disadvantages. While its platform is user-friendly, it may lack some of the advanced features and research tools offered by other brokerages. Additionally, Firstrade's customer support, while generally good, may not be as responsive as some investors would like. In conclusion, Firstrade is a legitimate investment platform that offers a low-cost and user-friendly experience. Its regulatory oversight and generally positive user reviews provide confidence in its reliability. However, before making a decision, it's crucial to carefully consider your individual investment needs and preferences. If you prioritize commission-free trading and a simple interface, Firstrade may be a suitable option. However, if you require advanced research tools or exceptional customer support, you may want to explore other brokerages. Ultimately, the best investment platform is the one that aligns with your specific goals and risk tolerance.